In this video,
we will learn how to customize helicopters in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to customize a helicopter, firstly you need to purchase one, and in order to purchase a helicopter, you'll need a hangar to store it in. So in order to do that, firstly we'll open up our mobile phone and head to the internet section. From here we'll head into the travel and transport tab. Before that, money and services. Then we'll head into the Maze Bank foreclosure website. Then enter site. From here we can isolate of the other options to show the hangars. So as you can see, these are the available hangars on the map. You can purchase any one of them by left clicking on them and clicking on the buy button. After that, again in the internet section, head into the travel and transport tab. From here, head into one of these two websites, which is the Elite Travel and the Warstock Cash and Carry. So more passenger oriented helicopters can be purchased from the Elite Travels, as you can see. And in order to purchase more destructive helicopters, you can find them in the Warstock's Cash and Carry website. So after you have decided on which of the helicopters you want to buy, you can just head into the website, click on buy now. So after you have purchased your helicopter, it will be in your hangar, and in order to customize it, firstly you'll need to enter it by clicking on the F button by going in close. After that, you can modify the helicopter by pressing the E button. In here you can modify various aspects of your helicopter like armor, the engine, various bombs, the handling of your helicopter, livery. You can even respray the helicopter as you wish. You can also change the weapon if you have purchased the weapon embedded helicopters. You can even sell the helicopter. So this is how you can easily customize a helicopter in Grand Theft Auto 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.